It's time for another check of the forecast for Hamcation. Let's get started. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, A4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. Several of you are getting ready to hit the road and head to Orlando, Florida this week for Hamcation. So we wanted to give you an update and look on the forecast for Orlando. And before we do, this video is brought to you by Ham Radio Prep. HamRadioPrep.com. If you're looking to get your ham radio license, tech, general, or extra class, Ham Radio Prep has you covered. They're so confident they're going to help you pass your ham radio test on the first attempt. They offer a money-back guarantee. See website for details, hamradioprep.com. Use coupon code HamShackTV. You'll get an extra 10% off. They're already great prices. All right, today's source for the forecast is brought to you from WESH 2. WESH 2, they are the NBC affiliate there in Orlando, Florida. So we'll go ahead and pull up their website if you want to check the forecast yourself. WESH, WESH.com/weather. We're going down here to the extended 10-day forecast. As of this recording, it is Saturday the 7th, so we'll bypass most of that. Several of you I know are getting into town on Wednesday. So Wednesday, expect morning clouds with PM sunshine, high near 80, 78 degrees, with a low of 56. Folks that are coming from up north, you might want to consider a space heater if you're camping. I know several of us are camping on the Orange County or the Central Florida Fairgrounds there, but be safe with those. Be safe with those. 56 isn't bad though, with just a 3% chance of precipitation on check-in day for camping. Thursday, February 12th, several more will be getting into town. Partly cloudy skies with a high near 80, 79 degrees, low temperature of 60. Only an 8% chance of rain on Thursday. Friday, show opens 9 o'clock, Central Florida Fairgrounds. Partly cloudy skies with a high of 80 degrees, low of 58. Chance of rain is only 9%, so we're 3 for 3 so far. That's looking pretty good. Saturday, Valentine's Day. Partly cloudy skies with a high of 77 with a low of 61. Chance of rain 17%. I'll call that a win. That's another one. And then final day of Hamcation, Sunday, February 15th. This also happens to be the Daytona 500 on that day. Hamcation ends at 1 o'clock. Daytona 500 green flag is at 2:30. At least I think it's 2:30. Hopefully that's green flag time. That may be when the show comes on Fox. But Sunday, February 15th, partly cloudy skies, high of 79 degrees. Chance of rain 24%. So just below 25% chance there. I'm going to call this a win, guys. The forecast looks great for Hamcation. Absolutely looks great for Hamcation. Want to shout out WESH 2, the NBC affiliate in Orlando, Florida, for providing this forecast. We'll hope and pray that this forecast remains on course for sure. Not only for my Hamcation friends, but my friends that are going to the Daytona 500, just an hour up Interstate 4 from Orlando. Just a quick note, Renewal by Anderson do not have an affiliation with, but there's our advertisement on it on their website anyway. Guys, again, cannot wait for Hamcation. It's coming very, very soon. Very, very soon. It's going to be great. Again, guys, don't forget to go check out HamRadioPrep.com, HamRadioPrep.com for all your ham radio education needs. They have, if you've got all of your licenses, they've also got satellite courses, MCOM courses, ham radio basics. Go check them out. 10% off if you use coupon code HamShackTV. HamShackTV, your coupon code at checkout. Appreciate Ham Radio Prep support for the HamShackTV HamFest Tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. More content to come. We'll see you in Orlando 73, A4WX, WSCB 693.